Assalamu alaikum pyare bachon. Welcome to our English class. Today, we're going to learn English through a really fun story. Are you excited? Let's get started.
Today, we're going to meet two friends, and we'll listen to their interesting conversation. Let's listen to their story and learn some new English sentences together. Are you ready? Okay, let's go.
So, when we meet someone, what's the first thing we say? Salam. That's right. In English, we call this greetings. Let's see how our friends greet each other. Okay, first, just listen carefully. Good evening. Now it's your turn to say it. Go ahead. Good evening. Very good. Iska matlab hai sham bakhair. So, for example, when you see your Abbu in the evening, you can say, Good evening, Abbu. All right, now let's listen to the full question. Good evening. Where are you going? Okay, your turn. Try saying the whole thing. Good evening. Where are you going? Excellent. This means, Sham bakhair, aap kahan ja rahe ho? So if you see your friend going outside, you can ask them this. Okay, now let's find out what our friends are doing. Let's listen in.
Listen closely to this one. We are going to the market. Are you coming with us? Now you try it. We are going to the market. Are you coming with us? Fantastic. इसका मतलब है, हम market जा रहे हैं. क्या आप हमारे साथ आ रहे हैं?
Now let's hear the answer. No, I cannot go with you. I am sorry. Okay, your turn to say it. No, I cannot go with you. I am sorry. That's it. Perfect. इसका मतलब है, नहीं मैं आपके साथ नहीं जा सकता. माफ करना.
Listen to this short question. Are you busy? Are you busy? Great job. This means, क्या आप मसरूफ हैं? You could ask your Amne, for example, Amne, are you busy? Okay, listen to the answer. Yes, I am. Now, you give the answer. Yes, I am. Good. इसका मतलब है हाँ, मैं मसरूफ हूँ. So, if you're busy doing your homework, you can say, Yes, I am. Now listen to this very common question. What are you doing? Your turn to ask. What are you doing? Perfect. This means, आप क्या कर रहे हैं? We use this question all the time, don't we? Listen carefully. I am reading a book. Now you say it. I am reading a book. Very nice. इसका मतलब है, मैं एक किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. When you're reading your own book, you can say, I am reading a book. Okay, now listen to this one. But you are writing something too. All right, your turn. But you are writing something too. Good job. This means, लेकिन आप कुछ लिख भी रहे हैं.
Listen to this sentence. I am taking notes from the book. Now, please repeat after me. I am taking notes from the book. Excellent. इसका मतलब है, मैं किताब से notes ले रहा हूँ. So now our friends are talking about that book. Come on, let's listen to what they say.
Listen to the question. Which book is this? Now you ask it. Which book is this? Very good. इसका मतलब है, ये कौन सी किताब है? So if you see a book that looks interesting, you can ask this question. Now listen very carefully and with respect. It is about the life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now, you say it with respect. It is about the life of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's right. इसका मतलब है, ये हमारे प्यारे नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की जिंदगी के बारे में है.
Listen. That is great. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is my ideal. Now it's your turn. That is great. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam is my ideal. Very good. This means, ये बहुत अच्छी बात है.
प्यारे नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम मेरी मिसाल हैं।
Okay, now listen to this sentence. He is my ideal too. I love to read and hear about him. All right, you say it now. He is my ideal too. I love to read and hear about him. Wonderful. इसका मतलब है वो मेरी भी मिसाल हैं। मुझे उनके बारे में पढ़ना और सुनना बहुत पसंद है।
Okay, this next one is a little long, so let's break it into two parts. First part, listen. I would like to read this book too. Now the second part, can you please lend me this book? Okay, now let's try the whole thing together. I would like to read this book too. Can you please lend me this book? That was great. It means, maybe, ye kitab padhna chahta hoon. Kya aap mujhe ye kitab de sakte hain?
Listen to the answer. Sure, I can, but please let me finish it first. Now, your turn to repeat it. Sure, I can, but please let me finish it first. Perfect. इसका मतलब है जरूर मैं दे सकता हूं, लेकिन पहले मुझे इसे खत्म करने दो.
So when our conversation is over, what do we say? We say goodbye. Let's see how our friends say goodbye to each other.
Okay, listen. That is a good idea. Bye. Now you say it. That is a good idea. Bye. Good. This means, ye acha idea hai. Alvida. So when you're going home from school, you can say this to your friends. Bye.
And here's the last sentence for today. Bye. See you soon. Your turn now. Bye. See you soon. Very good. इसका मतलब है अलविदा, जल्द मिलेंगे. When you're leaving for school, you can say to your family, bye. See you soon.
So, that was our friends' conversation. Let's quickly review what we learned today.
All of these sentences are used in our daily life. So I want you to use them when you're talking to your friends, your family, and your teachers. The more you practice speaking, the faster you'll learn English.
Well done, everyone. You all did a fantastic job today. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking English like an expert in no time.
Allah Hafiz.